English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1, exclusive, clarification, presume. Exclusive. Exclusive is an adjective. C1 learners usually know exclusive. At C1, exclusive describes something that is not shared with another person or organization. Here are some examples. He gave the newspaper an exclusive interview. To be part of an exclusive club, you have to be a member. When a list is not exclusive, we should be aware that there may be other options. Clarification. Clarification is a noun. C1 learners usually know clarification. A clarification is an explanation that makes something clearer and easier to understand. Here are some examples. Please let me know if you need further clarification. They spoke to a lawyer for clarification on the matter. The final few changes are small clarifications. Presume. Presume is a verb. C1 learners usually know presume. To presume means to believe something is true, even though you are not sure. Here are some examples. They didn't reply, so I presume that they are not coming. He presumes that she wants children, but he hasn't asked her yet. Two journalists are missing and are presumed dead. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with exclusive, clarification and presume. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR C1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.